Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Super Videos, and in this video I have two amazing WhatsApp tricks for you. If you also use WhatsApp on your phone, then these two tricks are really amazing and very useful for you. So I'm gonna tell you what are the tricks. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon and do not miss any technical video every day. Now the first trick which I have right now, for that let's go to the WhatsApp first of all. And in WhatsApp, what exactly you need to do, simply you have to click on the WhatsApp chat, any of the chat you can take. Let's suppose I have taken this chat here. This is a big chat right now. There are so many of messages, photos, videos is being shared on this WhatsApp chat. Now what exactly you need to do here, simply you have to click on these three lines which is on the right side of the top, and here you have to click on this more and then click on this export chat, and here you will be getting two options. The first option is without media and the second option is include media. If you need all the photos and videos and everything, then you have to click on this include media, otherwise you can click on this without media. I'm gonna click on this without media, and then the moment I click on this without media, I will be getting some options on the bottom. See this? That's a WhatsApp, email, everything I will be getting in there. Now here I just need to select this Gmail, and in Gmail I have to put my email address here, and then I have to send it on my email. And then the moment I send this one, my work is done on this WhatsApp. I just have to go back to the email, and here I got this email, this one. See this? This is the email, this is the WhatsApp chat which I received here. I can simply click on this one and it will get downloaded on my phone. This is the whole chat which I received here. This is how I can able to export any of the WhatsApp chat on my email, on my WhatsApp, anywhere, and I can able to read it. That is an amazing trick of WhatsApp which you can use on your WhatsApp account. Now let's talk about the second trick, and the second trick is also really amazing. For that we have to install an application from Google Play Store, and the application name is WhatsWeb. Yes, this is an amazing application with more than 10 million downloads. Let me just click on open and open this application. Now when you open this application, it will become up like this. There is an option you will be getting, that's a WhatsScan. This one, you have to just click on this WhatsScan here, and the moment you click on this WhatsScan, you will be getting an option of barcode. This one, this is the barcode which we have to scan with our second phone. Now this is my second phone here. What I'm gonna do, on this phone I just go to the WhatsApp, and in WhatsApp I click on this three lines which is on the right side of the top, and then I click on this WhatsApp web. And the moment I click on this one, I got an option link a device. Click on this one and then click on OK, and I have barcode with this phone camera like this. See this? I have done this one. Now with this trick I can able to run two WhatsApp on my one phone. See this? Now you can see this one. This phone WhatsApp is running on this phone right now. You can see this one, all the names, all the WhatsApp chat, everything I can able to use it on this phone. If you have two WhatsApp account, two phones, then you can able to use two WhatsApp on one phone with this application. So these are the two tricks I have right now for you. I will be putting the link of this application in the description. You can check it from there. Any question, simply comment below and we will surely get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.